Benedict's Law and the statutory guidance for schools. Benedict's Law is a name widely used for the new statutory guidance being introduced to improve allergy safety in schools across England. It's expected to come into effect from September 2026, and it marks a major step forward in protecting children with severe allergies at school. The change follows a campaign led by the family of Benedict Blythe, a 5-year-old boy who unfortunately and tragically died from anaphylaxis at school in 2021 after being given food he was allergic to. His death exposed serious inconsistent gaps in how allergies were being managed in schools and led to calls for stronger nationwide safety standards. In response, the government committed to statutory guidance on managing allergies and anaphylaxis. In plain terms, that means schools will be required, not encouraged, but required to take a structured, proactive approach to allergy safety. So let's look at what that involves. Firstly, every school will be expected to have a clear whole school allergy policy. This will set out how allergen risks are managed and how pupils with allergies are supported across the whole of the school day. Second, staff will need appropriate allergy awareness and emergency response training, exactly like this course, so they can recognise a reaction and act fast. Third, pupils with diagnosed allergies should have an individual healthcare plan, sometimes called an allergy action plan. This document will list a child's allergens, their symptoms, their medication, and the precise steps staff should take if a reaction happens. Clear, accessible plan means everyone knows how to keep that child safe. Fourth, schools will be expected to hold spare adrenaline auto-injectors. These are life-saving devices for treating severe reactions. Even where a pupil carries their own, a school spare is vital if that device is missing, expired, or if a reaction happens in a child not previously known to be allergic. The guidance makes clear that allergy safety is a whole school responsibility, not just the medical or first aid team. Every member of staff should understand the risks and know the basic emergency steps. And finally, schools must actively manage risk while making sure pupils with allergies are still safely included in everything: lessons, trips, clubs and celebrations. The aim of Benedict's Law is simple but powerful. Consistent allergy safety standards in every school in England so that we can reduce risk and help prevent future tragedies. Understanding these requirements is a core part of your role in keeping people safe. One quick note: at the time this course was made, the government's final guidance hasn't yet been published and it's expected round about the middle of 2026. The requirements we've just covered reflect the proposed guidance, and we'll keep this course updated as the final version is confirmed. The clear direction is that all school staff will need allergy awareness and emergency response training, which is exactly what this course provides.